Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to compare C-panel Webmin and Plesk as web server control panels. C-panel is one of the most popular hosting control panels on the market. It's a premium product that's popular for shared web hosting solutions because it offers scalable plans that can support large numbers of users. However, C-panel also offers solo licenses in case you want to set it up on a server you own. Traditionally, when you access your C-panel account, you'll see a broad range of tools divided into multiple sections. Among those sections, you have options for software setup, file management, database optimization, and many others. C-panel licenses start at $15 per month for a single account setup. Unless you're installing C-panel yourself, your web host will cover the licensing costs for as long as you're a client. C-panel requires you to use Linux. The control panel is optimized to run on Alma Linux, CentOS, Cloud Linux, and Ubuntu. Plesk bills itself as an OS-agnostic hosting control panel. The software offers a user-friendly interface that enables you to manage security settings, set up mail servers, manage databases, create backups, and much more. Plesk is also a WordPress-friendly control panel, as it includes a suite of tools that make it easy to install and update WordPress and scan your site for vulnerabilities. Plesk offers an extension system and a built-in catalog within the control panel. That last feature makes it easy to find approved extensions and set them up with a few clicks. Although most extensions are premium, they tend to be remarkably cheap, with prices starting at around $2.99 per extension per month. Plesk licenses start at $10.08 per month for up to 10 domains, which includes the WordPress toolkit. Plesk runs on both Windows and Linux machines. Webmin is open-source software. You can opt to install a full or a minimal version of the software, depending on how much control you want over your server. When compared with other control panels, Webmin is by far the most lightweight option in terms of system resources, and its interface is primarily designed for experienced system administrators. Like other hosting control panels, Webmin supports modules or extensions. You can also use themes to customize the style of your control panel. Webmin is open-source software, and its themes and modules are also free. VirtualMin is another open-source hosting control panel that we love, and it's built on top of Webmin. You can think about VirtualMin as Webmin with a nicer interface, a more robust file manager module, and the ability to switch between the two control panels. One area where VirtualMin stands out is when it comes to virtual server management. The control panel makes it easy to launch new virtual servers and modify the resources that you allocate to them. Beyond its virtual server toolkit, VirtualMin also includes all the other features you expect to see in a hosting control panel. With this software, you'll be able to manage email and databases, set up web applications and CMSs, and more. VirtualMin is open-source software. VirtualMin requires a Linux setup, with CentOS or Ubuntu being the most popular options. Choosing between C-panel versus Plesk versus Webmin versus VirtualMin is not always simple. If you're using Windows, your choices will be reduced. However, if you're open to using a Linux installation, your options are wide open. Aside from your OS, there are other considerations to keep in mind, including performance and security options as well as ease of use. Let's discuss each of those factors. By performance features, we mean the tools each hosting control panel offers for configuring and optimizing your server. There are a lot of tools that fall under the performance category, so let's check out which control panel supports which functionality. By and large, every one of the hosting control panels we've talked about gives you access to a full set of performance and server configuration tools. The table above covers the basics, but each control panel comes with its own suite of advanced functionality. When it comes to server management and optimization, C-panel, Plesk, and Webmin are all-around great options. The primary difference between those three panels comes down to ease of use, which we'll cover in a minute. Out of all four hosting control panels, VirtualMin does stand out due to its suite of virtual server optimization tools. A great hosting control panel will provide you with features that enable you to protect your website and server from attackers. Both C-panel and Plesk offer all of those features, and they're easy to find thanks to their user-friendly interfaces. However, Webmin takes the lead here because it gives you far more control over security.